Aku mengerti bahasa Inggris dengan baik
I understand English well
ketika aku membaca atau mendengar.
when I read or listen.
Tetapi berbicara sulit untukku.
But speaking is difficult for me.
Aku tahu kata-kata dan tata bahasa.
I know the words and grammar.
Tapi ketika waktunya berbicara,
But when it's time to talk,
aku sering gugup.
I often get nervous
Atau lupa kata-kata yang benar.
or forget the right words.
Kadang-kadang,
Sometimes
aku sangat takut membuat kesalahan.
I'm so afraid of making mistakes
Yang membuatku lebih memilih untuk tetap diam.
that I prefer to stay silent.
Nah, to stay silent. Suatu hari di kelas bahasa Inggrisku,
One day in class English and English class.
kelas bahasa Inggrisku.
One day in English class.
Kelas bahasa Inggrisku.
One day in my English class.
Yes, in my English class. Gurunya bertanya kepada kami
The teacher asked us
untuk menceritakan liburan terakhir kami,
to describe
liburan terakhir kami.
our vacation,
Terakhir,
our last vacation.
yes, our last vacation. Di depan semua orang.
In everyone.
Di
In-
depan semua orang.
In front of everyone.
Yes, in front of everyone. Hatiku sedih
My heart sank
karena aku belum pernah berbicara di depan kelas sebelumnya.
because I had never spoken in front of the class before.
Nah, aku berpikir tentang berpura-pura sakit.
I thought about
Berpura-pura sakit. Pretending.
jadi apa?
Aku berpikir tentang berpura-pura sakit.
I thought about pretending to be sick,
Yes. Tetapi itu sudah terlambat.
but
Sudah sangat terlambat.
that
It
it's too late.
But-
But it was too late.
Yes, karena sudah lampau. But it was too late. Gurunya sudah memanggil namaku. Perfect.
The teacher had called my name.
Yes, had called
My
my name. Aku berdiri dengan lambat. Fast.
I stood up slowly.
Yes, I stood up slowly. Merasa mata semua orang kepadaku.
Feeling everyone's eyes on me.
Yes, feeling everyone's eyes on me. Suaraku bergetar.
My voice
Shaky.
My voice is shaky.
Lampau.
My voice was shaky. Shaky.
Dan setelah mengatakan hanya 2 kalimat,
And after said only
kalau setelah after wajib,
preposition.
ya, itu kan preposisi. Jadinya wajib gerund. Dan setelah mengatakan hanya 2 kalimat,
And
setelah
after saying
nah,
only 2 sentences,
aku membeku.
I froze.
Gurunya tersenyum dan berkata,
The teacher smiled and said,
lampau. Nah, jangan terburu-buru.
Take your time.
Yes, Kamu melakukannya dengan baik.
You did it well.
Continuous.
You doing well. You are doing well.
Yes, you are doing well.
Yay.
Itu memberiku sedikit keberanian untuk melanjutkan.
That give me a little courage to continue.
Tetapi aku masih membuat kesalahan, past.
But I still made mistakes.
Aku menyadari beberapa teman sekelasku berbisik.
I noticed some of my classmates whispering.
I noticed some of my classmates whispering. Dan aku berpikir
And I thought
mereka sedang menertawakanku.
they were laughing at me.
Setelah kelas,
After class,
satu dari mereka mendekatiku dan berkata,
one of them approached me and said,
"Kamu berani berbicara."
"You were brave to speak."
Aku masih membuat kesalahan juga.
I
Dosen.
still make mistake too.
Tetapi setidaknya kita sedang mencoba, ya kan?
But at least we are trying, right?
Kata-kata itu melekat di pikiranku.
The word stuck with me.
Saat selanjutnya kami harus berbicara di kelas,
The next time we had to speak in class,
aku berlatih banyak di rumah.
I practice more.
Oh.
I practice a lot in home.
Kalau di rumah itu pakai in atau at, Mak bilang. Ulangi, aku berlatih banyak di rumah.
I practice a lot at home.
Dan menuliskan apa yang ingin kukatakan.
And wrote down what did I say?
What?
I wanted to say.
Dan menuliskan apa yang ingin kukatakan. Ketika giliranku tiba,
When my turn came,
aku tidak sempurna lampau.
I'm not perfect.
Lampau.
I wasn't perfect.
I wasn't perfect. Tetapi aku lebih percaya diri lampau.
But
Percaya diri, kok?
confident.
Ah.
But I'm more confident.
Mana tuh binya?
But I was confident.
I was lebih.
But I was more confident.
But I was more confident. Sedikit demi sedikit,
Little by little,
aku sudah mulai berbicara banyak. Perfect. Aku sudah mulai berbicara banyak.
I've started much. I've started
Berbicara,
speak more.
speaking.
Speaking more.
Ulangi, aku sudah mulai berbicara banyak.
I've started speaking more.
Dan sekarang
And now,
aku merasa tidak terlalu takut.
I feel afraid less not. I feel less afraid.
I feel less afraid. Aku merasa tidak terlalu takut salah.
I feel less mistakes. I feel less afraid of mistakes.
I feel less afraid of mistakes. Itu tidak mudah.
It's not easy.
Tetapi aku tahu setiap langkah membawa kemajuan.
But I know every step brings progress.
Oke, jadi ini adalah bagian yang keempat. Tonton bagian pertamanya di beranda ya. Oke, thank you for watching.
See you next time. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.